I am seriously going to regret this. I'm gonna freeze my balls off. But you know what? I've been running cleaner through this sucker, and I think I finally got, I could be wrong, but it seems to be revving up through the range. And this is the 94 Magna 750, and it seems like I got it. So I gotta take it for a quick spin and see if we actually get through the rev range without it faltering. It's warmed up, I think. So I had it looked at by my buddy. Oh, it's cold, and I forget how to ride a motorcycle. So I'm gonna take it around the block, see if I still have the fault. I can't even ride a bike. I mean, it's cold, but I'm not gonna blame it. There's ice on the ground. It's 21 degrees and I can't ride a motorcycle. All right, 21 degrees out. Feels like. I guess it's like 50, but we're just gonna go around the block. If I can keep from stalling, that's on me. I think she got it. Let's find out real quick. All right, try not to slide down the ice. Oh, I don't know if she got it. I thought she did. Well, let's see in a minute. Nope, she still sounds bad. That's even worse than before. You know what? I might actually be out of gas. And that'd be worse than before, because then I gotta push the bike home. Yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, am I out of gas? I'm probably out of gas. No, still bad. Well, that's good to know anyway that I did not revive her yet, but I'd rather not pull the carburetors out of this bike. She'll rev, but once you get her out there, she's still doing the same thing. We might have to pull the carburetors out. Okay, so it's too cold to ride. Fine. I get it. It's too cold to ride. We'll just park her back where she was. I don't know how much gas is in this, so we probably are running out of gas. Could easily be. But it's so freaking cold. I just wanted to go ride, and I'm very cold already. So, there we go. Neutral. Put down my kickstand and leave her sit. But sorry guys, that was not an interesting video. I thought we were gonna get out. She does rev. Like, I thought I used to have a problem where she would falter. She doesn't falter. So anyway, there it is. Maybe it's getting better. Maybe I'm running out of gas. I did not have a lot in here. Oh no, she sounds good. There's not a lot of gas in there. So, I'll put gas in it, and we'll try another day that's not so cold. But I'll see you guys on the next one. It was worth a shot. She sounds cool, and it's freezing, and now I'm freezing. And watch another video. I do have other ones out. Just cleaning up a rusty tank on the Interceptor, and you really haven't seen that bike on the channel, so it's worth a shot. This bike's ready to go other than the hesitations, and if we can clean that up, she's a happy rider. She is like leaking a little bit of fuel, I think. It's just running down here, so that's got to be repaired. Another petcock or something. I think it's the petcock that's leaking. So unfortunately, 94 Magna, cold as everything out here. Pull the key and we'll be done for the day. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Get out and ride. Don't freeze your butt off. I will see you. Oh yeah, and it's starting to snow. Flurries. Flurries in the air. Yep, that's the day to ride. Catch you later. Bye.